today's video, we're going to be showing you how to fold jeans, t-shirts, sweaters, and socks. This is my sock drawer. Full disclosure, I messed this up in order to show you how to fold socks in a sock drawer. And I always recommend to my clients they find the shallowest drawer that they have because you really don't need much depth for a sock drawer. Take your socks and roll them starting from the toe. Like so. There's two things I love about rolling socks. One is you're not hurting the elastic. If you tend to go and fold them over from the top, the elastic is going to wear out a whole lot quicker. So that's why rolling works really well. And two, once this is done, I like to keep everything in color order so I know where to retrieve the right socks. All of my blacks are together, then grays, and then maybe a brown tan color, and then navy blues. And my athletic socks, I don't have so many of them, so I'll keep them on the side here. And those ones, because they're very small, I will just invert them like that. So they don't look as pretty, but they're just tucked over here. I can see everything I have. I can get more in a drawer when everything is nicely rolled like this. And that's how to organize your sock drawer. This is a familiar sight for us at the Organizing Professionals with our clients. Typical t-shirt drawer, no rhyme or reason, t-shirts just stuffed in. And what I want to show you is how to fold t-shirts with or without a flip and fold. Same thing with the sweater drawer. So same principle applies, so stay tuned to learn how we're going to fold a t-shirt and a sweater drawer. We're going to start by using a flip fold board. We can get these at the Container Store, you can get them online as well. Start with your t-shirt, take the front side and lay it flat on the board and match up the shoulders, the top of your t-shirt to the top of the board. And any t-shirt that is lying over the bottom of the board, just fold that up to the bottom of the board. Flip over one side, flip over the other, flip over the middle, and there you have it. And we love using flip fold boards because you get the same size fold every time, which looks great in the drawer. If you don't have a flip fold board, same principle applies. I think it takes longer. So I do this a little bit in reverse. This time I take the t-shirt, the front side is down on the bed or whatever flat surface you're going to use. Fold it in half, like so. And then I don't know whether it's because I'm left-handed or whatever reason. Then I take the half of it to meet the middle, like so. And then one last fold, like that. Okay, off we go. T-shirts are done. I'm going to put them in the drawer, and I just want to show you how I use a flip fold for sweaters with sleeves. Same principle. Lay it flat down. If it's a turtleneck, I'll fold that down onto the board and tuck it inside. And then I'll bring the sleeves to touch the edge of the flip fold on both sides. Like so. Make sure it's all nice and flat. Flip over one side, flip over the other, and flip the middle. And there you go. If you don't have a flip fold, same principle almost applies. Lay it down. If it's a turtleneck, obviously I have a lot of turtlenecks, tuck that in, lay it flat, and try and bring the two edges into the middle of the sweater. like so. Tuck over the sleeve so it's following the back of the line of the sweater. And the other side, flip that over like so. And again, bring the little cuffs over if you've got anything drooping down. Fold it in half. And there you go. Transformation, right? All of the t-shirts are fitting in here. I can see every single t-shirt. They're all file folded vertically, and I like to do them in color order and type order as well. So I've got darks first, then merging into lights. These are the long sleeved, followed by the middle section here, which is short sleeved, and these are my tanks. Love it. And then with the sweaters over here, same principle applies. I like to do some kind of color order, but I can get so many in, especially sweaters, because they can be pushed together and you can even get more than I have here. So folded vertically, that's how you fold sweaters. Jeans, they can be hung, they can be folded, but if you have the choice between putting jeans on a shelf versus putting t-shirts on a shelf, I always recommend put the jeans on the shelf, because jeans folded on a shelf can look quite nice. So here's how we do it. We fold so that the right butt cheek is facing out. Why do we do that? Because most of the time the label is actually on the right side, so you can always see it. Then we fold them, lie them flat, fold them in half, and fold them again. And if you have them all folded in exactly the same direction, they will look really quite nice once they're on a shelf. There you go. They look so nice on a shelf, and very easy to identify which one's which by just taking a quick look at the waistband. Folded jeans.